iPhone 13 screen replacement. The iPhone 13 is one of Apple's flagship smartphone. It features a 6.1-inch or 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display with OLED technology, which delivers bright colors and deep blacks. It also has an advanced dual-camera system that consists of two lenses, a 12-megapixels main camera with sensor-shift optical image stabilization and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. The camera system also supports cinematic mode, which allows you to shoot videos with shallow depth of field and automatic focus transitions. The iPhone 13 can also record videos in Dolby Vision HDR for stunning colors and contrast. The iPhone 13 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which is faster and more efficient than the previous generation. It enables advanced features like Face ID, which uses facial recognition to unlock the phone and authenticate payments, and super-fast 5G cellular, which delivers faster download and upload speeds. The iPhone 13 also has an impressive battery life, lasting up to 19 hours of video playback. The iPhone 13 is available in 5 colors: Product, Red, Starlight, Midnight, Blue, and Pink. It has an aerospace-grade aluminum frame and a ceramic shield front that is tougher than any smartphone glass. It also has an industry-leading IP68 water resistance, which means it can withstand submersion in up to 6 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. You can buy it from Apple or from various carriers and retailers. You can also trade in your old iPhone or other eligible devices for credit towards your new iPhone. The iPhone 13 is a powerful and versatile smartphone that offers a great experience for users who want a balance of performance and design. It is designed to help you capture, create, and enjoy more than ever before. The iPhone 13 is a great smartphone. The sleek and advanced design of the new iPhone 13 is truly a sight to behold, with its vibrant display and seamless functionality. However, it's not immune to accidents. If you have dropped or scratched your iPhone 13 screen, and a cracked or damaged screen can quickly dampen the experience. Thankfully, the skilled technicians at Sydney CBD Repair Centre are here to provide a reliable and efficient solution, offering screen replacements for the iPhone 13 that are unrivaled in expertise and quality. You don't want to risk damaging your phone further or losing any of its features, such as Face ID and True Tone. That's why you should choose Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Replacing the screen on an iPhone 13. Trust the experts at Sydney CBD Repair Centre. At Sydney CBD Repair Centre, customer satisfaction is at the core of their mission. With their team of highly trained technicians and their dedication to using only genuine parts, customers can trust that their iPhone 13 screens will be replaced with the utmost care and precision. Genuine parts ensure that the new screen will seamlessly integrate with the existing functionalities of the device, providing a smooth and uninterrupted user experience. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is a team of experts who specialize in iPhone screen replacement in Sydney City. They use genuine parts and can fix your iPhone 13 screen in about an hour. You don't have to worry about losing your old Face ID scanner and True Tone, as they will work on your new screen. Don't let a broken screen ruin your iPhone 13 experience. Get it fixed by the best mobile phone repair shop in Sydney CBD today. One of the standout features of the iPhone 13 is the Face ID scanner, which allows users to securely unlock their device with just a glance. Many people may worry that replacing the screen could impact the functionality of this impressive biometric technology. However, the experts at Sydney CBD Repair Centre have extensive experience in replacing iPhone screens without compromising the Face ID scanner. They ensure that the new screen is seamlessly integrated with the existing hardware, allowing customers to continue enjoying the convenience and security of Face ID without any hiccups. Additionally, the Sydney CBD Repair Centre team understands the importance of maintaining the True Tone functionality of the iPhone 13. True Tone is a feature that adjusts the display's color temperature based on ambient lighting conditions, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. When replacing the screen, the technicians at Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensure that the True Tone technology remains intact, allowing customers to continue enjoying the immersive and natural display of their iPhone 13. What sets Sydney CBD Repair Centre apart from competitors is their impressive track record. With over 1,700 positive Google reviews, they have built a strong reputation for their professionalism, expertise, and reliable service. These glowing reviews are a testament to the team's commitment to providing a superior customer experience and ensuring that each repair is executed to the highest standards. Convenience is another key factor that sets Sydney CBD Repair Centre apart. They understand that time is of the essence, and nobody wants to be without their iPhone for an extended period. That's why they offer an efficient 1-hour repair turnaround time for iPhone 13 screen replacements. This means that customers can drop off their device and have it repaired while they wait, minimizing any disruptions to their busy lives. To further enhance convenience, Sydney CBD Repair Centre operates with customer-friendly hours. They are open Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. This flexibility allows customers to find a convenient time to visit the repair center without having to rearrange their schedules drastically. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is conveniently located in Chinatown, near the Sydney Light Rail stop. You can call them at 8011-4119 or 043-777-4119, or visit their website at https://www.sydneycbdrepaircentre.com.au/ to book your appointment or request a quote. When it comes to replacing the screen on your iPhone 13, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the team to trust. Their expertise, use of genuine parts, and commitment to maintaining the device's advanced functionalities ensure a seamless and reliable repair experience. With an impressive track record of customer satisfaction and convenient operating hours, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the go-to destination for all your iPhone 13 screen replacement needs.